Hi, this is Dave at Geeks Alive. I just want to show you today how to use Ninite.com to install the good stuff on your new computer. First of all, start up Internet Explorer or Firefox or Opera or whatever you like, and then go to Ninite.com, or we can just Google for it. It really is the easiest, fastest way to update or install software. You get a web page here. There's really only one page to Ninite. You got a web page. You just check the check boxes next to the applications you want. They don't have everything there, but they've got most of the good stuff. And the stuff they have is all good stuff. They don't have any evil spyware, crapola, or whatever. So you just check the things you want. Maybe you want QuickTime. Maybe you want all the standard runtimes like Flash and Java, Silverlight, .NET. IrfanView is a nifty little picture editing program. Very, very tiny, done by a remarkably good programmer. Adobe Reader. If you don't have Microsoft Office, you could get a trial version of Office, or better yet, get LibreOffice, which is a slightly improved variant of OpenOffice. So let's put LibreOffice on here. Then we go to our security solution. I like Microsoft Security Essentials, even though I kind of don't like Microsoft much. They did a pretty good job on that. I've actually already got it running down here. It's that little green castle there with a check mark on it, so I'm not going to download it now. But we can put Malwarebytes on there, which is a good supplemental scanner. And a lot of folks like Dropbox for sharing files or backing up a limited number of files on the web. A lot of folks like Google Earth. I don't really use it myself. CCleaner is good stuff. If you don't have a CD burner program on your computer, CD Burner XP is excellent. And for editing source code, I like Notepad++. So we got quite a list of things we've checked here. And then you just click on Get Installer, and you get this page that says this Ninite installer includes, and they got a little icon for each of the things. We got a whole slew of them. Say Download Installer. It's tiny. We'll just we could just say Run, but I'm gonna save it on the desktop. Let's put it on the desktop and say Save. It's that fast. It's only a couple hundred K. We can close out our browser, and now we've got. Where did it go? There it is. We've got the Ninite installer on our desktop, and all you do is you run it. It gives you a little progress bar. I like to click Show Details so I can see what it's doing. Right now it's downloading Chrome, which was one of the things that I checked. And there's the list of things that I checked and their status. And when it finishes downloading the first thing, it'll start downloading the second as it installs the first. So it's overlapping the two operations, which makes things go faster. All the places where these applications would typically ask you to agree to their license terms or uncheck the box for installing the silly Yahoo toolbar or whatever, all those things are defaulted to what you want. It also is smart enough to look at your version of Windows and determine what is the best version of each of these things to download. So for instance, if you've got a 64-bit Windows 7, it'll get the right version for that. This happens to be a 32-bit Windows XP machine. It's getting the right versions for that. As you can see, it's in the process of installing Chrome. It's already downloaded Flash, and it's waiting to install that. The Internet Explorer version of Flash has been skipped because it's already up to date. Same with Silverlight. Adobe Air is now already downloaded and waiting to install, and Java is now downloading. So it overlaps those things in the most efficient possible way. A trick that Microsoft still has not figured out how to do with their Windows updates. They've been doing Windows updates for what, a decade now, and still, if you download 30 Windows updates, it downloads all 30 before it starts installing the first. Go figure. Anyhow, that's how you use Ninite. As this thing runs, it's going to be adding icons to the desktop and that sort of thing. Everything just gets handled for you, and you can go have supper, go get a cup of coffee, whatever, and come back when it's done. And that's all.